morning.
So, anong favorite food mo? Banana or potassium. Thank you very much, Hari. Let's move on to Bees. Hello, Bees. How are you, Bees? Okay, how old are you, Bees? What is your name? Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up? Why teacher? Good. And malaking sweldo ng teacher, di ba? Marami silang loan, no? Loan dito, loan doon, di ba? Very good. What is your favorite food? Fruits. What kind of fruits do you want? Wow, sasaya ng mga bata dito. Pati nga. Yes. Ano ba ang sinasabi ng bees? What is the sound of the bees? Very good. Hello. You're so pretty. We have
okay, congratulations. And for the second place goes to Maria Makili.
Maria Makili.
And the winner is the Beast. Ayan, congratulations.
Wait lang yan.
Ayan, okay, congratulations. And for our second place goes to Maleficent. Go, version naman, girl.